Christopher Kalale here. In this video, I am going to show you the updated volumes of Shapescape. If you may follow me to the wilderness, then to the outside, we will see the code's wonderful volume. So anyways, here it is. Welcome to the Volumes of Shapes. This is a Volumes of Shapes game. Have a good learning experience. Do not use this to cheat at school. That's an advice from me anyways. So SymPy and maths, present equals to true while true. Print empty string if present, categories, cylinder, cone, sphere, cube, cuboid, triangular pyramid using trigonometry, then square pyramid, rectangular pyramid, circular pyramid, present equals to false, p equals to int input, choose numbers between 1 and 10, so I'll just be talking about the formulas. These are just the colon, cylinder, radius, height. The same thing is because I called it that, and that's why it's like that. So therefore, here it is. Volume pi r squared h. Pi r squared h divided by 3. Cone is 1/3 of the cylinder. 4 pi r squared over 3. 4 over 3 pi r squared. That's definitely 4 over 3 times circle. That's what a sphere is. It's round. Cube is a cubed. Cuboid is length times breadth times height, which is also known as a times b times c. Then triangular pyramid, formula 1, base times height over 2 over 3, also known as base times height divided by 6 if you're doing it with the same thing, but unfortunately it's not the same. So that's base times height a times height b. So base times height a divided by 2 times height b over 3, which gives you that. Therefore, a times b times sine c. We've discussed this, so I'll talk about this in my trigonometry video soon. A times b times sine c over 3, which gives you the volume. Then square pyramid is length times height over 3. And this one is length times width times height over 3, which is also known as a cuboid divided by 3. A cuboid divided by 3. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's length times breadth times height. Oh yeah. So if you replace that with a width, that's fine. So that's basically almost a cuboid divided by 3, basically, or I can just change if I wanted to. But anyways, let's focus on this now. Rectangular is length times width times height divided by 3, which is that. So circular pyramid, radius, height, pi r squared times h over 3, which is the same thing as a cone. A cone. Sorry about that, guys, but that's alright. Anyways, let's show you the answers because I already run this, so that there's no wasted time implied. Here it is. Here it is, the code. Here's what it gives us. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. If you're looking at the code, good job. But anyways, this is all worth it. This is all worth it. Anyways, let's go to the introductions now. Christopher Kalale here. Hope you enjoyed today's video. And that program is so like eating cornflakes. As if you eat cornflakes. And advice, eat your flakies. This is Christopher Kalale. Forevermore. See you soon. In my next video, probably. That's if you want to subscribe. If you want to view, just view. But anyways, stick to this. This is a programming hub now. / any other thing you want to see later. Later, alligator.